There are various different anti-colic massage techniques, and today I'm going to show you the 6 main ones. Always do baby massage at least 40 minutes following a feed, and never do massage on a baby that is crying. Now, anti-colic massage aims to get all those tiny trapped bubbles of wind around the bowel and closer to the exit point, so it should always be done clockwise as it follows the way the bowel goes. The first one I'm going to show you is called Around the Clock, and I want you to think of your baby's tummy like a clock, and each different quadrant is a different time section. So the first one would be 12 to 3, 3 to 6, and so on. And always massage on the soft part of your baby's tummy, so underneath the ribs. Take your 3 fingers and you start by gently moving in clockwise direction, 10 to 15 seconds in each quadrant. And you're going to go around the clock 3 times in total. And then to finalise the massage and also help get the gas moving, bring the knees up to the chest and hold for 10 seconds. And you can also incorporate a little rock with that. The next technique I'm going to show you is called the bicycling technique. I'm just going to move my baby around. And this one, you are literally mimicking your baby riding a bike. So you want to gently get hold of one of her legs and bring her knee up to her chest. And you hold it there for 2 to 3 seconds. And then you bring it back down and you do the same with the other knee. 2 to 3 seconds. And you can do this 6 times in total, so 3 times with each leg. And this will hopefully get the gas moving and coming out. And at the end, to finalise the massage, bring the knees up to the chest again, and you can incorporate a little rock. The next technique I'm going to show you is called scooping the sand. And it's called this one because we want you to think that you're on a beach and you're going to scoop the sand down the beach. So again, you get your flat hand, and it's the soft part of your baby's tummy underneath her ribs. And I want you to scoop down to, are you going to do this 6 times? 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you can break, and you can do that three separate versions of that. So you would do it again 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one is really good because you're actually moving the bubbles right down to the exit point. So a lot of mums say that they actually hear their babies pass the wind at this point. And again, to finalise the massage, bring the knees up to the chest with a little rock if needed. You don't have to do the rock, but it can just help get that gas moving. Now the next technique is called the I love you technique, and loads of mums like this one because of what it stands for. But what I want to stress to you about this one is you're going to make an I, an L and a U, not a Y. And these are going to be done upside down on your baby's tummy because that's the way the bowel goes. So if you get your thumb and you start down the bottom on the left hand side and you want to go up for the I and then the L and the U. And this is all because, again, it is following the way that the bowel goes to get it moving to where it needs to go. I love and you. And to finalise again, you can bring the knees up to the chest, hold for 10 seconds and incorporate the rock if you want to. The next technique I'm going to show you is called the sun and the moon, and this is my favourite one, and the babies do tend to love it. Again, I want you to look at your baby's tummy like a clock because you're going to start with your left hand at 6 o'clock and you're going to make a full clockwise circle around the large intestine and the bowel, and your right hand is going to go from 12 to 6 o'clock making a crescent moon, and you're going to try and keep it as fluid as possible. And you can do this 3 times and then break, and then you can do it again and as many times as you want to do it. And this gets the gas moving round. And you can do this 2 or 3 times during the day to help keep that gas moving. And then bring your baby's knees up to the chest to finish again with the gentle rock if you want. 10 seconds and down. The last one I'm going to show you is called the Tiger in the Tree massage. And I normally do put this at the end of my massage regime because it's a hold and they can feel quite secure and comfortable and relaxed at the end of it. It's quite easy to swaddle them from it as well. So get your baby, and normally you would be standing up, but I'm going to show you sitting. So you get your baby round, pop your arm across and underneath the nappy. Now this again doesn't matter which arm you're using. And at this point you would stand up and the baby would be leaning forward on your arm so that they feel safe and secure. And you've got your other hand free to do a gentle circular massage on the back. If you're standing, you can actually incorporate a rock as well. The babies tend to love it. And you can do that for as long as you want. And then at the end, I would probably get a blanket and swaddle my baby, or at least cuddle them in a blanket so that they feel safe and secure and relaxed.